Chapter 11. Force, Work and Energy. Keywords. 1. Friction. 2. Gravity. 3. Lever. 4. Wedge. 5. Screw. 6. Inclined plane. 7. Axle. 8. Electric gadgets. Looking back. A. Answer the following questions. 1. Have you ever skated on ice or seen someone do so? How can people glide smoothly on ice? Answer. Yes, I have seen skaters skated on ice. The ice molecules loosen up, creating a frictionless surface. This water then acts as a lubricant, resulting in smooth motion over the ice. The water molecules on the ice surface are in between a liquid and solid state, allowing such smooth motion. Thus, the ice skaters are able to glide smoothly across the ice. 2. Imagine that there is no gravity. What would happen if you jumped up? Answer. If there is no gravity and we jumped up, then we will not be able to come back on earth again and we would fly in the sky. B. Choose the correct answer. 1. The pulley is a simple machine that consists of a wheel with a rope around it. 2. The screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod. 3. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. A ball that is thrown up in the air falls down because of A. The force of friction, B. Muscular force, C. The force of gravity, D. Push force. Answer is C. The force of gravity. 2. Bottle openers are examples of A. Levers, B. Pulleys, C. Screws, D. Wedges. Answer is A. Levers. 3. Which of these requires energy? A. Cooking food, B. Growing plants, C. Making ice cubes, D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. 4. Plants use dash energy from the sun to make food. A. Wind, B. Heat, C. Light, D. Electrical. Answer is C. Light. 5. Which of these is not a fuel? A. Wood, B. Coal, C. Water, D. Petrol. Answer is C. Water. B. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. 1. Things can move without any force acting on them. Cross. 2. If a moving object comes to a stop, it means some force is acting on it. Tick. 3. The screw is a wedge wrapped around a rod. Cross. 4. Energy is required to do work. Tick. 5. Wind energy cannot be used to generate electricity. Cross. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. A force is a pull or a push. 2. A moving football comes to a stop after some time because of the force of friction. 3. When a force moves an object, work is said to be done. 4. A playground slide is an example of an inclined plane. 5. Coal and petrol have energy stored in them. They are called fuels. D. Name the following. 1. The energy used to keep warm, heat energy. 2. The energy that plants use to make food, light energy. 3. The energy that we use to run a fan, electrical energy. 4. Our main source of energy, it gives us heat and light energy, sun. E. Answer the following questions. 1. List 4 things that force can do. Answer. The 4 things that force can do are: A. Force can move an object. B. Force can stop a moving object. C. Force can change shape of an object. D. Force can change the direction of an object. 2. When you throw a stone up in the air, it comes down. Why? Answer. A stone thrown up in the air comes down because of force of gravity. 3. Name 3 simple machines. Give an example of each of them. Answer. 3 simple machines and their examples are: A. Lever. Example: scissors, seesaw. B. Wedge. Example: knives, X. C. Inclined plane. Example: playground slide, ramp. 4. Name 3 forms of energy. Mention a use of each of them. Answer. A. Heat energy. It is used to cook food, keeps us warm and run machines. 3. Light energy. It is used by plants to make food. It also helps us to see. C. Electrical energy. It is used for heating, lighting and running various electrical gadgets. 5. Explain how the energy we get from food comes indirectly from the sun. Answer. Plants prepare food using sunlight. All animals eat either plants or plant-eating animals. So all the herbivores and carnivores get their energy directly or indirectly from sun, as without the sun there will be no food. Higher order thinking skills. 1. You push a heavy box and it does not move. This means you have not applied force. Do you agree? Answer. No, I do not agree. The heavy box does not move as the force applied must not be enough. If the required amount of force is applied, then the box will move. 2. In which case will you have to do more work? A. Pushing a table a short distance or pushing it a greater distance. B. Pushing a chair or pushing a heavy table the same distance. Answer. We will have to do more work in case of: A. Pushing a table a greater distance. B. Pushing a heavy table the same distance.